Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a way to keep aloe plants alive for a very long time without planting them. So last year, before the freeze, I cut all of my aloe plants down and I took it inside. I basically cut it to the core, so I'll post videos to the ones that I've cut it down so you can see exactly what happened and how to cut it if you ever need to. But anyway, I left these in the garage to overwinter, and then I took it out in the warm months, and the plants are still alive, and I wanted to root them so that I can grow them, but the ones that I need to grow have already been placed in the raised bed, and these are the ones that I cannot grow because I don't have any space for them. So I left this here in the same bucket for probably 7 months now, and let me show you. The plants are still alive. You see, this is just plain water only. And aloe are really such amazing plants that are very, very tough, and so you don't really have to do much to keep it alive. You see, this is just all in water, and so some of the roots will die back, but more roots will develop and they will keep growing. But the problem is, because staying in the bucket, there's not a lot of nutrients to keep the plant alive or to keep growing and growing. So it just can do what it does, and some of the leaves will die back, but it won't grow much more, and eventually it'll just continue to grow weaker and weaker because there's just no nutrients for these plants, and it has nothing except water. And so I left this in the partly shaded area, and so you can keep these plants alive with just plain water for up to a year or maybe even longer. So let me show you what I'm talking about when I say I have no place to grow these guys. So you see here, I have more aloe plants that I need to pull out because the pups are grown everywhere. You see these are the pups are even as large as the parent plant right there. And so I really need to take these guys out and remove them, because all they're doing is drawing energy from the mother plant, and the mother plant will not get any bigger. And so if you want big, large mother plant, you see, you grow it by itself like this. And I did this for this plant, but now the pups are growing, so I have so many more to go. And look at this here. It's kind of like sharing resources. It's not growing well because it needs to be by itself. You see, all the babies are here that I can pull out. And then look at these here. You see these? I don't know what to do with them. I don't want to trash them, but I might just pull them out and then take it to a place where I can donate these or give them to people that want them. But anyway, so that is the reason why I don't have anywhere else to grow these guys. So if you're in the same situation where you have just so many aloe, you don't know what to do with them, just pull them all out. Just cut them all the way down to the core. It doesn't matter. They're very tough. Place it in a bucket full of water. Not full of water, but the water should just touches the bottom of the core. And then the core will eventually root, and then the root will remain alive in water for I don't know, maybe a year or longer. So if you're wanting to keep your plants alive, waiting for people to come pick it up, or waiting for your friends, or to find a place where you can give these guys to, you can do exactly what I did. Just place them all in a bucket, pull them all up, and then just leave them there, and they will grow. They will not die, I guarantee you. I do this every year, and it's just ridiculous how tough these guys are, and they will remain alive. I mean, for as long as you want to put them in the bucket with water. If you want to, you can put a little bit of nutrients and they will grow, but you don't have to place anything in there, just water, and that's it. So hope you try it out. And that's just another way to save your plants if you don't want to trash them, and keep them going and stuff like that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.